Our infrastructure is facing systemic challenges such as climate change, and whole system outcomes like resilience and social inclusion are increasingly important. A lot of money and effort is invested in building new infrastructure, but it's also important to spend time thinking about how the system operates as a whole, to make sure that we invest in the right places and that everything works together seamlessly. If infrastructure owners want to achieve the best system-wide outcomes, they need an enterprise approach. The first step in this approach is to have an enterprise strategy for the whole infrastructure system. You need to define its purpose, measured in terms of the social, economic and environmental outcomes required from the system, and a vision for how it will fulfil this purpose in a sustainable way in a range of future scenarios. Next, enterprise architecture. This is about gearing services, processes and information flows towards a target operating model that will realise the vision. Significant organisational change may be needed, and commercial arrangements may need to be rethought to ensure that key suppliers and contractors are aligned with the right long-term outcomes. Digital information plays a key enabling role. You need to be clear about how and when information should flow to different parts of the enterprise to allow for the best decision making and monitoring of performance. With this architecture mapped out, systems engineering can take place to move the system towards the target model. This includes fitting operational technologies to assets to capture the necessary data, establishing communication networks, and setting up digital systems to store, analyse and display information. A range of project interventions will be needed, some physical, some digital and some involving people and skills. The enterprise then needs to deliver these projects. Delivery management. It's important that there is maximum integration between those delivering the projects and those running the system. Data sharing is vital. Projects need to have embedded KPIs that are aligned with the outcomes that were defined in the enterprise strategy, creating a closed loop of continuous improvement. An enterprise approach results in better services and infrastructure systems that are more resilient, sustainable and socially inclusive. At Mott MacDonald, we have the strategic understanding and the digital and domain expertise to help you transform your infrastructure systems for the better. Talk to us about our enterprise and digital integration services.